Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est jeudi le 17 janvier and I'm going to tell you what we did today for those of you who were not able to be here. So first of all, we did our usual warm-up. So this is the home page, my web page. So let's go to weekly warm-ups. We will scroll down to, oh, that's right, I put them up at the most recent, so it's this one. Click on that one. All right, well, let's go down to today's, which is this one. All right, so we looked at this picture, we described the picture, there was a boy here, and we read the phrase, and we discussed what it meant. So, c'est moi quand je suis à l'école. J'ai faim. So, a picture of the boy, this is me when I'm at school. I'm hungry. We talked about that. And then we also, on the board, I added the accent grave because for some reason this didn't have it. I don't know why. But there should be an accent grave over the A because it's a preposition. Je suis à l'école. I am at school. So this was our warm-up for today. And you had to copy down the phrase and then translate it after we talked about what it meant. So, once we did the warm-up, then, this was for periods 4th, 6th, and 7th, we went over a new concept, and it was how to put things in the near future, to talk about going to do things. All right, so we first reviewed all of our activities that we've learned in the past, and I have pictures of them all over the room with the verb and the infinitive. And then we went and did a handout called Le Futur Proche, and here it is. It's called the near future. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to come up, and everyone got one of these, and we all filled it out together. So if you weren't here, obviously yours is in the folder, or you can print this out, or whatever you want to do. So anyway, when we want to talk about saying that we're going to do things, then the first and foremost thing is we have to use a form of the verb aller. Okay? And that's why we learned, one of the reasons why we learned how to conjugate aller in the first place. Plus, and if you don't remember what it's called, the infinitive of the verb. The infinitive, remember, is the verb in its original form. Like when we want to say to watch, we say regarder with the ER. That is called the infinitive when the verb is in its original form. And when it's not in its original form, it's conjugated, then it's no longer the infinitive. Like we go from regarder, to watch, to je regarde, and we drop the ER and we add the ending. So that's with any verb that's in the infinitive. Infinitive means the original form of the verb. Like this, aller, to go. But when we use it in a sentence in the present tense, we have to conjugate it in the present tense in its forms. So we go from the infinitive to the form. So if you don't remember, I'm going is je vais. And then tu, you go to a friend, tu vas. And then il and elle, he and she, are going. Il va, elle va, without the S. Now we also went ahead and added, since this little handout didn't have it, we added on, which is one, remember? And its form is also va, like il and elle. So now, nous, we're going, nous allons. You or y'all are going, vous allez. And then ils vont and elles vont for their going. Okay? So what you do is, when we want to do this, it's a little formula. We plug in the present tense form of aller, and then we add, after that, the infinitive of the verb that's going to happen. Okay? So whatever action or whatever thing that we're going to do is going to come after the form of aller. We do it all the time in English subconsciously. I'm going to eat with my friends. Okay, or we say I'm gonna is what we do. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna write. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna finish that. Okay, we do it all the time. This is how you do it in French. So when you want to also say you're not going to do something, maybe you've planned on doing something Friday, but you decided you're not going to do it. So we need to be able to say that we're not going to do something. Sometimes our plans get canceled. So we have to use our ne and our pas. Just like we've always done when we want to make sentences negative, when we want to say we're not doing something, we have to use ne and pas. The key, though, is that we put it around the form of aller. Okay, so we the form, remember, form means we're using the present tense form, the conjugated form. So we take the ne and we put it before ve, and then we put the pas right after the ve. Okay, and then we add our action in the infinitive that we're not going to do. So, for example, je ne vais pas danser. Je ne vais pas danser. I'm not going to dance. Okay, notice danser, to dance. Nous n'allons pas manger. Nous n'allons pas manger. We are not going to eat. Okay, so the reason why they give you this one is because you see that in apostrophe? We use the in apostrophe here instead of the ne because of allons beginning with a vowel. So we have to drop that e. It makes it sound better. The French don't like their language to sound choppy. So we say nous n'allons pas. If we had the e on there, it would be nous n'allons pas. And they don't like that. So nous n'allons pas manger. We're not going to eat. So now what we did as a class is we practiced, writing some sentences in French using a form of aller plus the action in the infinitive. So, I am going. So, I am going. I'm going to put that in the color of blue. All right? And to listen, I'm going to put that in the color of red. So that will tell you that this is the subject and the form of aller that we're going to use. And then this is the infinitive, to listen. So let's look. Remember, I'm going. If we look up here at what we wrote down, that's je vais. So we know that we have to write je vais. Then, to listen. That, if you don't remember what it is, you can go back and look at your ER verb list or in your activities notes. And once you're in class, they're hanging up all over the room. But to listen is écouter. Okay, so je vais écouter. I'm going to listen. So I'm going to put this in blue and this in red. All right. So that is how that works. Now, all we're doing now is we're going to simply take this very sentence that we just wrote and we're going to make it negative by adding the ne and the pas. So I am going to basically copy this, Control C, Control V, but I'm going to add my ne and my pas. Because remember, ne goes before it, that makes it not. It goes before the verb, and pas goes after the conjugated verb. So, je ne vais pas écouter. I'm not going to listen. All right? So now, let's do the next one. We are going to go jogging. Okay, we are going to go jogging. All right, we are going, let's look up here, that's going to be nous allons, right? So, we are going to write, oh, I just did it again. I said we are going to write. So there's our near future again. We are going to write. So, we are going in French, nous allons. I'm going to go ahead and put that blue. Nous allons. And then to go jogging, which is red. Faire du jogging. And that is how that works. Now, let's make this very same sentence, but make it negative. All right, so we're adding our ne and our pas. Nous and apostrophe, allons pas, because allons is our verb, is our conjugated verb. And then faire du jogging. Okay, so you do the same thing with the other two. She is going to play soccer. Now, for time's sake, I'm not going to change all the colors this time. So she is going, elle va, to play soccer. Jouer au foot. She is not going to play soccer. Elle, ne va pas jouer au foot. All right? Okay, this part I'm not going to do for you. This part, when you get your handout, you will go ahead and you will write your own sentences telling me what you're going to do in the future. You might write, je vais écouter de la musique. I'm going to listen to music. Or I'm going to do homework. Je vais faire les devoirs. You have a whole bunch of activities in your notes from last semester that you can choose from. So you're going to tell me one thing you are going to do and one thing you are not going to do. And you're going to show it to me, and then I'm going to check it. And that is all that we did today. Bon après-midi. Au revoir.